After a long waiting time and a couple of delays on the road, my Quest 3 has finally arrived. This will be my first VR headset, and I wanted to do this video as some kind of first impression from a person that didn't have any contact with VR until now and will experience firsthand with the Quest 3. So, let's start with the fun part, that is on the unboxing. I know many people enjoy unboxings, me included, so let's start slowly and see what my rustic can do to open this box. Okay, and I think I can just I'm missing the box instead of the part that was taped. Okay, now it's better. And in the box we have the Quest 3 box that is really tiny. I hear from YouTube, from the bigger YouTubers, that this Quest 3 was much smaller than Quest 2, but I didn't imagine it being like this. Like my hand almost can reach all the corners of the box, but it's nice. Can I? Oh no, I think I need to get this out of the way, and only after I will be able to get the Quest out of here. Okay, let's see. Oh, nice. Come on. Whoa. I need to work a little on this. Okay. And here it is. Wow, it's tiny. These are the controllers. It will take me a long while to get used to them. I don't usually play with controllers. I'm a PC gamer mainly, so this will be a new experience for me. But the feeling that I'm getting is very premium, if I can call it like this. It doesn't feel cheap, which is good. And now for the main star of the show, the headset itself. It's pretty nice to the touch, except in this part. I usually sweat a lot, so I expect this will be one of my worst enemies. Can I get this out of the way? I'm afraid to break anything here. How do I do this? No. Not like this. I think I can put... okay. And these are the lenses. The IPD wheel. I don't know what this button does. I think this is the power button, the jack, and the USB. And yes, this pretty much is the headset. I know many people are complaining about the head strap. I will need to use it for a while and see if for me is a problem. But even if it will not be, I still plan to upgrade to a Bubo VR strap because I hear the battery is a huge problem with this headset. So I really need the extra power because I don't think I will be satisfied with only playing for 1.5 hours or 2 hours max. The controller should have come with batteries inside, but let's see how do I open this. Here, okay, yes, they have the batteries, and I need to get rid of this, I think, but I will do that later. Can I put it back on? Yes, I did it. And I think I should have a charger or something in the box, somewhere around here. Let's see, how do I get this out? Oh, like this. I will not be able to use this charger in my country, but as long as I have the cable, it will be all good. And I don't know who has time to read this, but I most likely will not, so all is good. Okay, this is all. So pretty much this was a really short video and will be the first video on my channel and my introduction. In the future I hope to post things related to VR and especially the Quest, but nothing is set in stone, and I hope to evolve with the time. See you next time.